Hello, today I would like to show you how to change special effects settings in Myth of Empires. To access those settings, well, we need to go to settings and then will be automatically put into the graphics section. In the graphics section we'll need to go quite a bit down, so it's better to use the scroll bars feature. In special effects, as you can see, there are many different effects that we can customize, and I will only mention notable ones, as in the, for example, refraction factor quality, SSR quality, detail mode, material quality level, anisotropic materials, subsurface scattering quality. This really improves the look of clouds and water, and also trees, honestly. Particle light source quality, fast scale table, and its different settings are quite notable. Particle quality, of course, water anti-aliasing, volumetric clouds, and skylight real-time reflections. Those all are quite important to the look of the game. Now, you can change everything here, or you can leave it as default. When you are done, simply cancel or confirm the settings and tap confirm to save any changes, and you are put right back into the main menu. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.